Terrence Romeo failed to capture the three-point shootout crown, so he went for an All-Star game record instead. The TNT KaTropa punched in a new record for most points scored in an All-Star game after exploding for 48 points to lift Gilas Pilipinas to a 152-149 win over the Luzon All-Stars in Batangas City on Friday, May 25. Romeo, who also had 11 assists and 6 rebounds en route to winning the All-Star Game MVP, eclipsed the 44-point showcases done by both James Yap and Dylan Ababou in the 2012 edition of the mid-season festivities. The dazzling performance was a redemption of sorts for the 26-year-old after he ran out of steam against eventual three-point shootout champion Yap, who won the All-Star event for the first time in 9 years, earlier in the day. Romeo, after waxing hot for 23 points in the elimination round, scored just 16 points in the final round, 8 points behind Yap's title-clinching 24 points. "I really wanted to win the three-point shootout, but when a door closes, a window opens," said Romeo. "Probably, the scoring record is really meant for me, and not the three-point shootout." Living up to the billing of what temporary Gilas head coach Yang Giao calls as the most talented player in the league pound for pound, Romeo electrified the Batangas City Sports Center with a display of his full offensive repertoire. And he did it by not compensating efficiency. The Spitfire guard shot 57.6% from the field and 43.8% from long range, impressive shooting marks for a player who attempted 33 field goals and 16 three-pointers. Although nursing an ankle injury he sustained last week, Romeo said he didn't want to pass up on the opportunity of seeing action in the All-Star week. "This happens only once a year, and it is a rare chance to go to places where people idolize you," he said. "I don't want to disappoint them, so, even though I am hurting, I still want to play for them to see me, and at the very least, make them happy." Romeo will try to do the same for fans in Iloilo City as he suits up for the Visayas All-Stars on Sunday, May 27.